Welcome to this GCSE revision question on recipes. Now, there are so many ways you can do this. I am going to pretty much go for the quickest way first, and then I'm going to show you another way that you can pretty much do this. Let's read the question. So here's a list of ingredients for 16 flapjacks. We can see that 16 there. And Jenny wants to make 24 flapjacks. So how did 16 increase to 24? Well, 8 more was added. And that 8 more is half of 16. So half the amount more was added to this. Do that same thing with all of the numbers and you will be fine. So basically find half of the number and then add it back on. So half of 120 is 60. And when you add that back on, that becomes 180 there. And then the brown sugar will become 210 because half of 140 is 70. You add that in, you get 210. And then half of 150 is 125. So that's going to be 375 there. And then the syrup, half of 1 tablespoon of syrup is going to, half of 2 tablespoons of syrup is 1. So you add the 1 on and you get 3. And that should sort you out for your 16. Now we've done this in literally a minute pretty much. And this is a three mark question. What other way could you have done this? Well, you could have used ratio. So you could have said, well, I've got 16 flapjacks and then I want to get to 24. And then you simplify this. Now, when I simplify this, I will divide both of them by 8. When I divide by 8, it becomes a 2-to-3 ratio. Now, what does that mean in the grand scheme of things? Well, if I divide it or I change my ratio as in 1 to n, I divide by 2, so then it means it becomes 3/2, which is the same as 1.5. Okay, now all I got to do is multiply that 1.5 by all of these numbers. And again, it will give me those answers we've got down there. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. If you've learned something new, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you on the next one.